8 symptoms of cataracts and how to treat them naturally. A cataract patient knows a lot about this ailment. However, for those who haven't suffered from the symptoms of cataracts, the disease can be quite a mystery. According to some people who have this disease, having cataracts is like seeing everything through a foggy window and never being able to clean it. You can only have a very vague idea of what happens behind the window. It doesn't sound fun, but fortunately, cataracts can be treated naturally. Here, we'll explain the most common symptoms and natural treatments for cataracts. What are cataracts? Cataracts are the progressive clouding of the human eye's natural lens. This translates into blurred vision that slowly gets worse if not treated properly. Cataracts mostly affect people over 40. They are also the major worldwide cause of progressive blindness. Around the age of 40, the human body's biochemistry begins to change. The proteins that are synthesized by eye cells lose their elasticity and harden. The proteins clump together in some parts of the ocular lens. This causes whitish lumps that can be seen in people's eyes. Cataracts cause of loss of accuracy and visibility at certain distances. However, these whitish lumps don't appear overnight. Cataracts develop slowly, while the eye tries to adapt to this white blockage. Different types of cataracts obstruct the light and distort the images that the eye perceives at different angles. Therefore, this type of blindness is different in each person who suffers from it. Types of cataracts. There are 3 different types of cataracts whose names are directly related to the part of the eye that they affect. Posterior subcapsular cataract. This type is more difficult to identify at a glance. Despite this, the patient feels its effects very quickly as the disease develops. Patients who have diabetes or take high doses of steroids are highly prone to suffer from it. Nuclear sclerotic cataract. As its name suggests, this type of cataract occurs in the nucleus. This is the most common type of cataract among men and women over 70 years. Cortical cataract. These cataracts are the most visible to the naked eye. They are small opaque and white areas in the eyes. They look like small wedges on the center of the lens. Symptoms of cataracts. There are many symptoms of this disease, including clouded or blurred vision, hypersensitivity to light, or discomfort upon contact with bright lights, difficulty seeing in dim or dark spaces, filmy vision of the light source, such as lamps and candles, yellowing of colors, double vision in one eye, frequent changes in prescription lenses, meaning that the cataracts are affecting your eyesight, difficulty reading, However, the symptoms of cataracts are very similar to symptoms of less serious eye problems, such as nearsightedness or astigmatism. Therefore, you need to go see your doctor quite often when you start noticing two or more of these symptoms.